Thank you. Oh, man. This might be the one time I'm speechless.
You've been on my mind. I you wonder every day, losing myself in time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taking me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one I want.
Fireball whiskey. Mmm, so nice.
When I got the news today, I didn't know what to say, so I just hung up the phone. I took a walk to clear my head, and this is where the walking led. Can't believe you're really gone. I don't feel like going home, so I'm gonna sit right here on the edge of this pier and watch the sunset disappear. Drink a beer.